process with University of Lincoln was incredibly engaging from start to finish. From the moment we entered the building and we did the discovery sessions to the continual communication with Lincoln about what their vision was and how they wanted to create this innovative space was seamless.
The new labs in the school have created a really dynamic environment for our students to come and do the learning in, particularly for games computing and computer science students. So we chose to partner with XMA at Lincoln because of their expertise around providing a full solution for creating labs such as at ROG and being able to work with our existing university partners.
Coming into this space, it's just amazing to see the high specification, the way that the learners interact in here, the way that they actually work as groups and teams, but also the engagement with those facilities. It's a really good experience for them.
One of the key considerations was the ability to show off the components. University of Lincoln had invested heavily in the equipment itself, so picking the latest and greatest CPUs, GPUs. A large part of that was making sure these aesthetic designs were on showcase. There was a lot of collaboration, there was engagement from the students and there was engagement from the university themselves to make sure that we were on point with exactly what they wanted in this visual aspect.
We've used this lab for multiple events that we've hosted throughout the year as part of the Computer Science Society. We've hosted game jams as well as hackathons and other varsity events throughout the year.
This facility was really useful just for my general workflow. I create games as part of my course, and being able to render things or create new environments really quickly with the new monitors and new equipment was really useful.
It's very nice for us to not have to worry about the equipment being to the standard that the students require. We can do sort of very high-end stuff. They do a lot of machine learning projects. Even when they're not doing games, they do like graphics and machine learning and AI. And it's always very nice to not have to worry about that kind of equipment failing them and not being to the spec that's required. We have a lot of computer labs in the university, and it's very nice for the game students to feel like they have a sort of games-focused space. And this space looks very cool, first of all. They walk in and they see all the sort of the different public of gamers, which from their perspective can be quite an aspirational brand name as well.
So the reason why we chose Republic of Gamers to represent the University of Lincoln is because they are a globally recognised gaming company. For me, the choice in the spec was absolutely vital. From going from a dual monitor setup to a ultra-wide 34-inch, it allowed the students to have that flexibility to be able to use larger applications and at the same time still have that productive space to be able to split screens for applications. We chose the right GPU that matched the workloads that they were going to be running, whether that's machine learning or whether that's creative design. That was all represented in that choice of specs, and the branding being ASUS ROG was just the icing on the cake.